So if you unfortunately missed out on the blockchain airdrop I dropped some time ago, sponsored by blockchain itself, make sure you don't miss out on this particular one coming from the Base network, from Coinbase. You already know Coinbase, here. This particular one is coming from Coinbase, and the campaign is still similar to that of blockchain. I think blockchain gave a minimum of around $20 to $25 for each person that participated on that. So make sure you don't miss out on this one, because Coinbase is a huge company, and probably enough money will be coming out from this particular update. Now make sure you know say update wey no cast 90p well, and this update dey viral, so there's just a good possibility that something good will come out from it. Yeah, so that is it. So take advantage of this particular one now I'm talking about. So here on this video I'll guide you through the tutorial how to get started with this particular airdrop, but take note, it is not free. When I mean it is not free, I didn't mean you're giving them your money. You will only perform one transaction, one transaction, and that's all. Okay, I think you should be needing a minimum of $6 to $7 for this. You just perform one, just buy one token on their wallet, hold it for 24 hours, because this video, I think I'm dropping this video today, 20th of December, and this campaign will be ending on the 21st of December, that is tomorrow. So what you just have to do is to purchase a particular token on their wallets. Okay, after trading that token, you hold that token till the end of the campaign, which is 21st. Then you can decide to withdraw your money back. All right, so that is what I mean by it's free and it's not free. All right, you just perform transaction. That transaction, the only thing you're spending is just your gas fee, and your gas fee is take just maybe a little below $1. Okay, a little below $1 for every gas fee transaction performed on their blockchain. They can decide to withdraw the rest after the campaign. So let's dive right into this tutorial ASAP. Let me cut the whole long story short. So after clicking on the link, it will direct you to your Google Play Store or your App Store to install the Base app. Make sure you download and install the app. Just come here, click on create account. If it's your first time, just click on that create account, give an email, then you click on next. Submit the 6-digit code sent to your email. Then you'll be asked to choose a username. Give that username and you click on claim. So after setting up your profile, okay, allow it to load up like this. Yes, then you click here on this wallet section. Once you come to this wallet section, click here where they say invite and end by December 21st. So just do that. Now all we just have to do now is to do a simple task. One, you need to verify, then you trade. Inviting a friend is not compulsory anyway, but you click on this verify button to get yourself verified. Click on continue, click confirm. So here you'll be asked to connect your X accounts, Coinbase, TikTok, Instagram. Okay, it's not compulsory, you must connect all of them anyway. You can connect one or two. Okay, yes, X, TikTok, Instagram. If you have a Coinbase account, you can just connect to it, then verify yourself. You get, it's very simple. Should in case it's not working with the VPN, make sure you disconnect the VPN, okay, to get these stuffs connected. So let me do them ASAP. Okay, so I've been able to verify these two, so I'll just go back now, then make the trade. First of all, we just need to make a deposit. So click on where they say receive from another wallet, then you just copy your address. Now we are going to send Ethereum under the Base network. So I'll go to my Binance ASAP. If I want to withdraw now, I will just click on send, then on chain withdrawal. So right here where they say address, I'll paste my Base wallet address. Here on this network, make sure you select Base. Okay, here it is, Base. Around $0.1 in this thing. And I'll just max is $8.9. Yeah, but make sure you're depositing more than $6. Just say 6.5 or $7. Yes, but make sure it's minimum $6. Add the little thing on it for gas fee. Yeah, it's that simple. So I'll be doing this. Just click on this withdrawal, then confirm. As you can see, the money has arrived. So what we just have to do now is to click on this trade. You have to trade at least $5, let's say $5.5 to USDC. I will just come here, then we insert the amount we want to trade. So just swipe to trade, just swipe this. So just click on send me a code, insert the code here for a transaction to get verified. So lastly, come back here, click on complete enrollment, then click on continue. just check this eligibility. Okay, I'm not US resident. All right, so you get to see this. So looking at the tutorial, it's very simple. Okay, that is just how all you have to do. Just do this and you're good to go. Make sure you're using your VPN to access the Coinbase app. Yeah, I think VPN will work better. But if you're to access your exchange, if you're to access your exchange or trying to connect any of your social media accounts, I will advise you to disconnect your VPN. Yes, reason being that if for instance you're using Binance, for instance, if for instance Binance is not approved in the UK and you unknowingly use the VPN connected to the UK server, once you log into your account, that your account might easily be detected as a UK account and then get terminated. That is what happens if you use VPN from the wrong country to access a particular application. All right, so if you're accessing Binance or any stuff, make sure you disconnect your VPN. And even if you want to use a VPN, make sure you're using the VPN, the country that actually works with that particular, that is being approved by that particular exchange or app, stuff like that. You understand what I'm saying here? So do it wisely so you don't get to lose your account in the process. So see you on the next video, and bye for now.